We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Janwold dashcam, 2.5K QHD, 3.39-inch dash camera for cars with 32 gigabit card, consists of the following features. 2.5K Quad HD recording. Janwold dashcam offers exceptional recording quality with up to 2.5K Quad HD resolution, capturing critical details like road signs and license plates. The 160 degrees wide-angle lenses of car dashcam significantly reduce blind spots. Superior night vision. Features f1.8 large apertures and 8-layer optical lens. Janwold dashcams perform excellently in low-light conditions, ensure clarity in every recording of this dash camera, regardless of the lighting situation. Large screen. The dashcam features a 3.39-inch IPS screen that delivers clear, vibrant visuals, enables users to playback recorded footage directly on the device, making it easy to verify and assess events without needing external devices or computers. Reliable safety features. Janwold dashcams are designed with safety in mind, offering features like loop recording, G-sensor emergency locking, and 24/7 parking mode for continuous surveillance. These functions of dash camera ensure critical footage is preserved, preventing accidental overwriting and providing peace of mind during both driving and parking. Easy installation. Designed for convenience, the dashcam is easy to install and operate with intuitive interfaces. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.